ತಮ್ಮ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಗಳ ಮೂಲಕ ತಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಮನರಂಜಿಸಲು ಬರುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಜಿಯ ಪುಟಾಣಿಗಳು.
Just like mine, you feel like crying. Sing along, maybe once, maybe twice. Let's try it together. So sweet day, no one knows you in turn, and you'll be happy. Shout it sweet in a song, listen to your heart it is singing. My heart goes sha la 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 la, sha la la in the morning, sha la 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 la, sha la la in the sunshine, sha la 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 la, sha la la in the evening, sha la 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 la, sha la 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 la, just for you. My heart goes sha la la la, sha la la in the morning, sha la 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 la, sha la la in the sunshine, sha la 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 la, sha la la in the evening, sha la 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 la, sha la 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 la, just for you. Sha la la la, just for you.
Wow, that was wonderful. Thank you, Twinkle Stars. The theme of traditional karate training are fighting and self-defense. Though its mental and moral aspects, it aims at overall development of the individual. Our school has taken keen interest in this regard. I call upon my friends to exhibit their karate techniques.
ಕರಾಟೆ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಾದ್ಯಂತ ಜನಪ್ರಿಯ ಕಲೆಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಯಾರೊಬ್ಬರು ನೋವು ಅಥವಾ ಆಕ್ರಮಣವನ್ನು ಅನುಭವಿಸದಂತೆ ಒಬ್ಬರ ಸ್ವಂತ ದೇಹವನ್ನು ಕಲ್ಲಿನಂತೆ ಬಲಪಡಿಸುವುದು ಇದರ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಗುರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಕರಾಟೆಯ ಒಂದು ಕಿರು ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ.
John F. Kennedy says, as we express our gratitude, we must never forget that the highest appreciation is not just two words, but being with them and support them. Our students have participated in the competitions which were conducted at cluster and inter-school level and won the prizes and brought laurels to our school. It is the time to appreciate and honor them. I kindly request guest of honor, Mr. Sridhar, come to the stage to give away the prizes to the winners. I request Mrs. Jyoti ma'am to read out the names of the winners.
ಈಗ ಹೋಬಳಿ ಮಟ್ಟದ ಪ್ರತಿಭಾ ಕಾರಂಜಿಯ ವಿಜೇತರ ಬಹುಮಾನ ವಿತರಣಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ. ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ವಿಶಾ ಡಿಸೋಜಾ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ 4 ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ರೆಸಿಟೇಷನ್ 3rd. Nora Meneges ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ 4 Pick and Speak 3rd. Sonal G. Das, Standard 4. In drawing competition, he got first place in cluster level and also he got first place in taluk level. Then he has selected for district level competition. Give a big round of applause. Disha SN, Standard 5th. Lagu Sangeeta 1st, Clay Modeling 1st. Renzier Seatelis, Standard 7, English Recitation 1st. Olivia Pearl Vegas, Standard 7, Hindi Recitation 2nd. Fatima Sahana, Standard 6, Kamana Vachana 3rd. High school level. Dishan Was and Kaustub, Standard 10, in quiz competition, they got first place in cluster level and third place in taluk level Pratibha Karanji competition. Congratulations to the winners.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Our students of higher school have participated in the inter-school, taluk and district level sports. The winners list is as follows. I kindly request Mr. Santosh Di Costa to come forward to honor the winners. Over to Mrs. Sunita ma'am.
ಈಗ ಶಾಲಾ ತಾಲೂಕು ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಮಟ್ಟದ ಆಟೋಟ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿ ವಿಜೇತರಾದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಬಹುಮಾನ ವಿತರಣಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ.
Nelson D'Souza, grade 8, second place in 400 meter running race. Samuel Mascarenas, grade 8, third place in 100 meter running race. Afran, grade 10, third place in 4 into 100 hurdles. Sampath, grade 10, first place in 100 meter running race, second place in 200 meter running race in cluster level, and also he secured first place in taluk level, then he has selected for district level. Give a big round of applause. ಕೈ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ತಟ್ಟಿ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. ರಿಲೇ Glenson D'Souza and team under 14 4 into 100. Melson Samuel Glenson Varun from grade 8. They got third place in relay competition. Dishan Was and team under 17 4 into 100. Dishan Was, Sampath, Jeevan and Afran. They got first place in relay competition and also selected for district level. Congratulations all the winners and participants. Mayank S. Kotian, grade 2nd, secured first place in drawing competition conducted on the occasion of 76th year of independence, held by VK Furniture and Electronics, Bangalore on Sunday 13th August 2023. Pooja SN, grade 2nd, best performance in drawing competition held by VK Furniture and Electronics, Bangalore on Sunday 13th August 2023. Congratulations to both of you. We thank and congratulate both the parents and escort the children.
Congratulations. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Dance is the most fundamental of all art forms. As Havelock Ellis, a renowned dancer and writer, rightly said, dancing is the loftiest, the most moving, the most beautiful of the arts because it is not mere translation or abstraction from life. It is life itself. To express the beauty of music, here come our friends with a wonderful dance.
Let go.
मिल गया कोई मिल गया मिल ही गया अरे मिल ही गया
dare you.
Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go.
So how it climbs, she come on, exactly come. So that's the rhythm. Hear the whistle, kick the ball, the tire throws, so like an eagle. We go between, knock you down, so leave today. There's all tomorrow. We go behind, in the space. There's no space for fear or sorrow. Is it true that you want it? Then act like you need it. With everyone watching, it's true, so they can receive it. La 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 I dare you.
Let go. Let go. कोई मिल गया
Thank you.